Morning, everyone. Excuse the dirty car wheel, a bit dusty. Anyway, today I'm starting Vlogmas. I've just decided that I'm going to do Vlogmas this year if I actually get round to achieving Vlogmas. I'm on my way to take RJ to nursery. Well, we literally just got in the car. Gary's in Paris, so I'm currently just juggling away at the moment. I've got to get back and start work and kind of fix the house a bit as well because it's a bit of a mess. But yes, this is the first day of Vlogmas. It's the 28th of November. It's Gary's mum's birthday. We've already called Corrie. But happy birthday, Corrie, again, if you're watching this.
Mommy, Mommy.
Can you hear RJ? We're gonna go to nursery. Hey you guys, so I've just dropped RJ off and I am about to well, I'm going home. So well, I am home. I don't know what I'm on about going home. I'm walking to my house. So yes. It's gonna be a good day. I'm going to vlog my way through Christmas. So that's the plan today. Not what today's not Christmas, but that's the plan. So yes, I'm gonna put my Christmas tree on. I need to put a rubbish bag out, which is over there. Look at all my recycling. Ugh. Anyway, yeah, it should be hopefully a good day, productive, but I'm ready to get Christmassy. I've got a few Christmas presents arriving today and I need to kind of make a bit of a list of things that I'm... Hello, my keys. Oh, look at my girl. Hiya, keys. Yeah, I need to kind of just put a plan together of other presents that I've not yet got. And then, yeah, but look at my tree. Oh. The star's a little bit wonky, but that's my tree, you guys. Excuse the mess. But she's pretty. I'm literally working away. My coffee's gone cold. Oh, I hate when that happens. You know, you've just been on a call. I've just been on a call, and obviously then I've had to leave my coffee because I've been chatting away, and now it's cold. I'm not happy. I think I'll get a cold. I feel really snotty. I'm tired. RJ has just been, I cannot tell you, it has been just a few days. I don't know what it is. He just wants to wake up at the crack of dawn and party. I don't have the same energy in the morning. And I'm usually a morning person, but that's just literally destroyed me. The crazy wake ups, and then he doesn't want to go back to sleep. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit tired today. I had a realisation just that I was filming my first kind of YouTube video in like the last 6 months. Look at my scraggy hair. Anyway, and I realised that I really need to go on a diet. That's kind of my realisation, because I literally got out of the shower after filming a video and I was in my pants. I'm sure many people can relate to this. You know, when you look at yourself and you think, oh, I really have let myself go a little bit. So I think I need to... Diet is not the right word because I don't stick to diets, but I need to make wiser food decisions and try and get some exercise in where I can. Obviously with a little one, it doesn't seem to be as easy, but I know many people do it. My work is so full on, and then I'm trying to juggle motherhood and then actually have a relationship with my husband and look after the dog and just all the general stuff that you end up having to do as well on the side of things, like keep the house in order, do the washing, cleaning, anyway, it's not a bad problem to have. I just feel like I've just let myself go a little bit, so I feel like I will feel better if I, you know, make wiser decisions. I am just on my lunch break. I'm taking Echo for a much needed walk, and I'm in the woods. there she is. It's really muggy and cold today, which is very, very wintry. Some Love and Live. It's also super muddy, so I do have my wellies on. But yeah, I'm also going to try, if I've got time on my lunch hour, to go to the farm shop. So that's the plan. But we shall see. But yeah, join us on a walk. Morning, you guys. I'm just at the train station waiting to go into Paddington. So obviously I'm working in the office today. Look at my hair. Anyway, wild. But I'm just walking down here because I've got 12 minutes to wait. So
That's just going to London Paddington. Please note there's an alternative service platform number 11 in approximately 5 minutes time. That's platform number 11 for the L810 service to London Paddington only. Platform number 11. Please note the service is formed of 9 coaches. Platform number 11 for London Paddington only.
There you go. That's my train. It's bloody freezing this morning. But yeah, looking forward to actually going into London. I think work's quite Christmassy at the moment, so it gets me very festive. Yeah, just thought I would let you join me today as much as I can let you join me in the office. There you guys, so I've made it out the station. It's just been a nightmare. It took me 20 minutes just to get out the bloody station this morning. Also, I find it very fascinating when I see people reading and walking, like reading a full-on book and walking. And also I saw my first mullet of 2023, so that was interesting. The look is back. I know the double chin and up the nose look is not the thing, but I'm trying to be a bit more discreet. There we are, I'm off to work. You know, it's been a long, tiring day when you get a large day at 3 p.m. So I'm so tired today. I'm just in my lift at work. It's been a busy day, but a good day. I haven't had a chance to actually do much filming, so I'm really sorry about that. But hopefully this vlog will turn into something wonderful by the end of the week. RJ was up in the night, and then he was up very, very early this morning. So I'm flagging now. I'm so tired. I'm in store today, so I'm currently in Bracknell, and they've got Christmas markets. I thought I would show you while I'm here because I don't ever really come here. So here we go. Morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. I am here with RJ. He's just eating his toast. I'm eating my toast. I've also made my latte in my Santa mug. Excuse the state of me. I've had a bit of a mare this morning. I've been trying to... It's a very long-winded explanation, but essentially I've been trying to sort out my remortgage on my house. I've been waiting for my title deeds to come through, and it's just been an absolute nightmare for the last... 5 months that I've been chasing and trying to get things over the line. Anyway, they came through yesterday, so I'm in a bit of a rush because my current remortgage rate runs out on Tuesday. So my solicitors have one magical day, and I'm hoping they can pull something out the bag. But we shall see. Anyway, so there's that. Tonight I am going to watch Pretty Woman in theatre with Gary's sister and Gary's mum. So that'll be really nice for their birthdays. We're going to have a bit of a girly evening. We're going to go out for dinner. So I have to kind of pack a bag because I'm staying at Corrie's, which is Gary's mum. I'm staying at Corrie's house, I think, tonight because I can have a drink and then I don't have to worry about driving home. So yeah, RJ's watching Peppa Pig, and Echo's about to bark because our neighbours are getting into their car. Anyway, look at my hair. I washed my hair last night and I just let it dry on its own. Told you. But I need to sort my hair out. I just need to sort everything out. I need to get dressed properly. I literally just brushed my teeth, had a wash, threw clothes on, and went to the post office to try and get some documents over to the sisters. Anyway, really boring stuff for you. Sorry. But yes, it's going to be a good day. And tomorrow then we're going to it's called Wellington Park, and they've got like it's called a Neverland Illumination or Illuminated or something like that, and it's basically like Christmas lights and a bit of a Christmassy thing. Echo, give it a rest, will you? If she sees someone outside the windows, we'll have to keep the blinds down permanently. She just doesn't. She's only protecting the house, but gosh, she goes on. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my toast. And I will speak to you probably more later tonight when I'm on my way to Corrie's. I can show you what I'm wearing and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you then. Hey you guys, I hope you're doing really well. Happy Sunday. Today is the last day for this vlog, and I've got a few additional exciting things happening today, so I just thought I would, bring you along with me on the final day for this one. Last night I went out with Gary's mum and sister. We had a bit of a girly night. It was their birthday, so we just had like a little bit of a drink and went to go and watch Pretty Woman, the musical, in theatre in Woking, and it was so good. And Amber Davis, I don't know if you've ever watched Love Island, but like Love Island a few years ago, there was a contestant on there called Amber Davis, and I remember because it's one of the only Love Islands I ever watched, and she was in it. She played the main character, I think Viv. Yeah, so it was really good. She was really good. She surprised me massively. Her vocals are, incredible. So go on you. But yeah, I obviously you can't take any pictures or any video clips when you're in the theatre. But I've got a few little snapshots. Obviously, being there with Corrie and Vix, which was lovely. So I'll show those to you. But I'd highly recommend it if you're looking for a new musical theatre production to go and watch. Pretty Woman is amazing. Obviously I think you can still get tickets and stuff, and I think the next one is in Oxford, so, and I think they go around the country, so 100% go and buy them, enjoy it. It is a really nice show. It's actually funny in the right parts and romantic in the right parts, and it's good. It's obviously not as great as the movie. A theatre production is ever as good as the movie, no, but yeah, very, very, very good. Excuse the mess. It's Sunday. It's wash day. Obviously, all my washing gets done. I am heading out this evening or later on this afternoon around 5, because we're going to go to the place called Wellington Park, and they've got this thing called Neverland Illumination, which is really amazing. It's here in Berkshire. It's lovely, and yeah, we're taking RJ because they have like a little Christmas train, and yeah, it's just really, really sweet. So, oh, sorry, my nose is tingling. Both Gary and RJ are poorly. RJ's full of cold. Gary's now got the cold. I feel like I'm going to get it, which is not ideal, but there we are. And I feel really tired today, but it's all good. So, yeah, I'm in the process of starting to edit these videos, this vlog video, because I want to get it up for next week, and yeah, that's my plan for today. RJ's currently having a nap, but I'm sure he'll be up at some point very, very soon to have some lunch, and then yeah, it's gonna be good stuff, and we'll get ready to go. And just come along with me, have a final festive day in this vlog with me, and I will chat to you shortly. Hey you guys, so I'm here at Neverland Illumination and we're just about to do the trail, and already there's the lava. Let's go.
Shh, don't drop anything and don't fall out.
RJ, look, Santa Claus!
Oh, hi Santa! Hi Santa! That's got mold wine. Hi!
Hi!
Keep still for you. Look at the dinosaurs, RJ. Wow.
Wow!
I bet he loves it.
Wow. Hey my lovelies, so we're back home from doing the Wellington Neverland Illumination Trail, and it was so nice. We had such a good time. RJ loved it. Like the dinosaurs and the projection at the end, which you'll see a really good clip of. It was just breathtaking, honestly. We had such a lovely time, and yeah, it was just wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Look at the mess. Life of children. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and show your friends. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.